Though there have been ups and downs in the stock market, opinions regarding the future of Tesla shares remain mixed. The electric vehicle revolution is still in its early stages, and Tesla is leading the charge. If you're wondering if this is a good moment to buy in Tesla, come along as we explore the present status of Tesla stock, hear from professionals in the field, and discover what might be in store going forward. Let's hear what Warren Buffett thinks about the prospects for Tesla stock. I know of one particular expert that you might find interesting to hear from. He is a true legend in the world of finance and investing, having achieved unmatched success and earning the moniker the Oracle of Omaha for his amazing ability to spot and profit from undervalued assets. Prepare yourself to make wise choices and learn why the discussion surrounding Tesla stock is one that is worth following. But before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe button. Scholars disagree on whether or not this is a good time to purchase Tesla shares, despite the stock's recent volatility between 108 and 200 per share, despite what some may have you believe. Without a question, Tesla has transformed both the automotive sector and the electric vehicle market. Legacy manufacturers are vying with Tesla for control of the industry's future by rushing to launch their electric cars. Despite Bear is tenacious, the company has experienced tremendous success in recent years. But there have been rumblings that CEO Elon Musk is untrustworthy and that Tesla is overstating the potential of its future technologies. The question of whether investors should invest in Tesla after it fell by 64% in 2022 is plaguing investors, as the company is currently making headlines for the wrong reasons. However, some investors saw this as an opportunity to buy, as noted by celebrity investor Cathie Wood, who has been a consistent buyer of Tesla stock in recent months, with her most recent purchase occurring on December 15th. Moreover, many believe that Warren, in response to a question about whether Elon Musk had accomplished anything particularly noteworthy, Buffett simply said, "Yes." It's no secret that Elon Musk is controversial, especially when it comes to the way he tweets with his followers. But Buffett has already praised him as a good man, while also saying that he has room for development and should exercise more caution in his tweeting, despite his positive outlook for Tesla and kind remarks for CEO Elon Musk. Some may argue that at least half of the times that Tesla trended, it wasn't the brand itself, but rather the leader. Berkshire has never invested in Tesla, and as of the end of the year, the company had $6.1 billion worth of Chinese electric car stock. Many people follow Warren Buffett's financial activities because he is widely regarded as the most successful investor of all time. According to a statement from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the conglomerate sold an additional 3.2 shares of E last week, reducing the total number of BYD shares it owns to 15.99%. This fueled further rumors that Buffett is selling off his BYD holdings in favor of Tesla shares. Although the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway has not made any official comments, there is persistent suspicion that the company is buying or plans to buy Tesla shares. Buffett's right-hand man, in a recent appearance on CNBC's Squawk Box, investor Charlie Munger compared Elon Musk and his Tesla electric car company, calling it an extraordinary performance in the American auto industry. Munger clarified that he does not compare Tesla to Bitcoin and that he believes Tesla has made some significant contributions to civilization as a result of Musk's efforts. In terms of the auto industry, however, what Tesla has accomplished is nothing short of miraculous. The investor has noted that he has accomplished several outstanding. The world may end up very different from what it was before thanks to Elon Musk's achievements. Although Berkshire has never invested in Tesla, Buffett has praised the company's CEO during an interview with Musk in 2022. The fact that Musk can compete with well-established automakers like GM, Ford, and Toyota using only an innovative idea shows that anything is possible in the United States. When asked if he would purchase Tesla stock, the Oracle of Omaha responded briefly in the negative, but given Berkshire Hathaway, it is difficult to believe Buffett. Some have questioned whether Hathaway has changed his mind after selling shares in BYD, a company that is closely rival to Tesla. However, Berkshire has not provided an explanation for the sales, which has prompted some to believe that Hathaway is leaving his position as BYD's major shareholder in a series of tweets. Christopher Dungeon shared his thoughts on Buffett's secret purchase of Tesla shares, stating that there is a 25% probability that Buffett and Munger have been accumulating Tesla stock for Berkshire Hathaway. This subjective probability is not a formal mathematical calculation, but rather Dungeon's personal belief and judgment that an accumulation of at least some small scale of less than $1 billion has occurred. He provided some of his explanation and theoretical reasoning for the topic, and he mentioned that Charlie Munger has praised Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk. Only recently, Elon Musk tweeted in February that Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger informed guests at a lunch all the ways his electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla will fail. This was after Musk had been negative about Tesla in January. I remember having lunch with Munger in 2019 and feeling pretty down after listening to him, listing all the reasons Tesla was doomed to fail in front of the whole table, said Musk. However, he said he consoled himself by telling Munger that he agreed with his assessment and that yes, they were likely to perish, but it was still worth trying. Dungeon speculates that the reason for the abrupt shift is that you don't criticize a business you own, which makes sense given that you wouldn't want the subpar product you're investing so much money in. Dungeon also pointed out that during the interview, the interviewer promptly neglected to follow up with Munger to inquire if Berkshire was buying Tesla stock, a question that ought to have been asked. On the other hand, some people think that Tesla CEO Elon Musk's sale of Tesla shares directly affected the company, which is why the stock has been falling for more than 29% in the last few months before rising in mid to late February. The core business is doing very well, despite the fact that Tesla stock has been crushed in recent months. This decline compounds the brutal year previously experienced by the stock, bringing the year-to-date return on Tesla shares to a loss of more than 60%. During Tesla's fourth quarter results call, Elon Musk, the CEO of the firm, stated that the demand for cars that will be sent in the last quarter of the year is excellent. He cited the company's third quarter deliveries, which increased by 42% year-over-year to 343,830 from 254,695 in the second quarter. During the company's third quarter earnings call, Tesla's management revealed that they had reached a production volume of 2,000 cars per week at their new factory in Germany. Musk stated that the company anticipates selling every car it makes for as long as it can see, and that it expects the same from its new factory in Texas. CEOs anticipated that Fremont, California factory output will soon surpass a significant milestone as it reached record highs. With a 148% year-over-year growth in free cash flow to $3.3 billion in Q3, the firm was able to fortify its balance sheet, which now has $21.1 billion in cash in marketable securities, a sequential gain of $2.2 billion, thanks to the company's strong underlying momentum. The valuation of Tesla stock is starting to appear really appealing. Despite the company's rapid expansion and innovative new offers, auto purchases are being postponed. Experts caution that purchasing a highly volatile stock carries a risk of capital loss. If you believe it would be prudent to allocate a portion of your portfolio to Tesla shares at the current price, please let us know in the comments section. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next one.